We swing ungirded hips, and lightened are our eyes. The rain is on our lips. We do not run for prize. We know not whom we trust, nor whitherward we fare. But we run because we must through the great wide air. The waters of the seas are troubled as by storm. The tempest strips the trees and does not leave them warm. Does the tearing tempest pause? Do the treetops ask it why? So we run without a cause, beneath the big bare sky. The rain is on our lips, we do not run for prize. But the storm, the water whips, and the wave howls to the skies. The winds arise and strike it, and scatter it like sand. And we run because we like it through the broad, bright land.